Your vehicle's engine management and emission sensors are essential to keeping your engine running smoothly, ensuring optimal performance, fuel economy, and reducing harmful emissions. These sensors monitor and control key aspects of your engine, ensuring that fuel is burned efficiently, emissions are minimized, and your engine is performing at its best. However, even when the check engine light is off, not all sensors may be functioning at their peak. Sensors are made up of delicate electrical components and are often exposed to harsh conditions, extreme heat, soot, and debris, for example. Over time, they wear out, lose efficiency, or become clogged. Like brakes or other chassis components, engine sensors wear gradually. This slow decline may go unnoticed, but it leads to reduced performance, fuel efficiency, and increased emissions over time. Take oxygen sensors, for example. Constantly exposed to exhaust gases, they slowly burn out or get clogged with soot. As accuracy decreases, fuel economy suffers, and emissions increase. Replacing oxygen sensors whenever a catalytic converter is serviced is crucial for maintaining optimal performance. Exhaust gas temperature and NOx sensors are critical components in the exhaust system. These sensors monitor exhaust conditions to ensure proper emissions control. Because they are exposed to extreme heat and soot, they should always be replaced when servicing or replacing particulate filters. Failing to replace them can lead to inaccurate readings, reduced fuel efficiency, and improper operation of your emissions control systems. Mass airflow sensors and MAP sensors, while similar in function, are located in the engine intake system. They help measure the air entering your engine to optimize combustion and performance. These sensors can become contaminated by moisture, debris, and dust that gets past the air filter. When this happens, sensor accuracy degrades, impacting fuel efficiency and engine power. Regular inspection and replacement ensures that your engine maintains peak performance. Replacing sensors at the right time is key to maintaining your vehicle's peak performance. Worn or dirty sensors can lead to reduced fuel efficiency, increased emissions, and costly repairs down the road. Just like brakes or tires, sensors experience gradual wear, and waiting for the check engine light to come on may be too late. Keep your engine running efficiently by proactively replacing engine management and emission sensors before they fail. You'll protect your vehicle, save on fuel costs, and do your part to reduce emissions.
Walker Products. Premium engine management and emission sensors that you can rely on for performance, efficiency, and cleaner emissions. Trust Walker Products to keep your engine running at its best.